dinner, and the boys have whipped up some treats. I told my girlfriends that I would post my go-tos for chocolate, my little chocolate candies that I always put out, and I keep in our freezer for our like late night snacks because chocolate's awesome. Blaise actually whipped these up a few minutes ago, and I have lots of different variations I can post on here. I flavor my chocolate with essential oils. I like to flavor with this Himalayan sea salt that I just grind up. I have cacao nibs to make crunchy chocolates. I have carob, which is amazing. I make some with dried fruits, some with fresh fruits. I have blueberries here, and some with crushed nuts.
They were making chocolate and gave me thumbs up, right?
Thumbs up.
Smash that like button, right?
Yes, smash that like button.
And make sure you don't get any candy in your food, right?
Oh yeah, if you're gonna have dessert, make sure you do it after dinner.
This chocolate is not actually chocolate. It's not actually chocolate though. But we have two different chocolates, and one's not. We have the ones that are not good for you, but this one is good for you. This chocolate chip is good for you. So we have more healthy chocolate chips right here, here, and here. But this chocolate is not actually chocolate.
These are called carob, and carob is not chocolate. And I always buy the carob that is unsweetened. It comes from a tree. It's high in calcium. Doesn't contain caffeine like the cocoa bean does. This cocoa here is, he sees it dark over there.
Yeah, because they're Nerf bananas.
Look Moms, I don't know what your kids have been up to, but my house is like, okay, wait a minute. When I was growing up, I guess my mom probably thought the same thing because I have bobby pins in every corner of the house, but I have Nerf darts everywhere. My boys absolutely positively love them some chocolate, right? Chocolate. Yeah, Blaise is like, we gotta fix up this carob over here. So this carob is unsweetened, and he's like, oh, because it has no sugar in it. So we gotta make it awesome, right?
And this actually, what?
This is actually 60% cacao, and it is sweetened with stevia. I buy it at our local organic market.
Me and my mom were in New York for what day?
I don't know.
My mom doesn't know what day we're going to New York because we have train tickets!
Oh yeah, we got train tickets from the George's Museum, the Children's Museum in downtown by the Roundhouse. You should check it out. Apparently we're going to New York City. I know, I can't wait. Because I'm going to Broadway, I'm going to Chinatown,
and the Lion King's there. It's a busy city, right?
It is a busy city. Yeah. Alright, can we make this chocolate now?
Africa is a broken place. Just like Transformers, because they shoot each other, right? It's like a broken place.
Yeah, it is a broken place.
It's a sad place. It's a sad place because 7 people died.
Well, not all of Africa is a sad place. What makes it sad?
It's ruined.
Ruined? What ruined it?
I don't know. Lions or wonder. Never went to Africa.
We've never been to Africa. I think we need to go to Africa sometime. It's really beautiful there. There are some very beautiful places. And besides that, we're supposed to be the light of the world, right? Yeah. Okay, can we get to making chocolate now?
Oh, yeah!
Okay, good idea. All right, so, super easy. And these are some different varieties that I've made. Pistachio and chocolate with some Himalayan sea salt that I crushed up and sprinkled on top of my domes before I put them in the freezer. I have here, this one is maple extract and dark chocolate. And this is my favorite. Well, you know, I like them all, but this is one of my favorites. This is just almonds that I have crushed. And then I have added a little bit of almond extract to them. And according to my girlfriend Megan, it tastes like the cordial cherries.
Yeah, it tasted like cordial cherries.
I melt my chocolate into small batches because I like to flavor my chocolate with different oils.
You never know, if you taste something new, you might like it, right?
Right. Blaze, do you have my silicone mold?
It's good to go.